Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Katniss Everdeen's blue feather dress on Just Press. Super easy to recreate. 4 items only. Grab this hair and just color it this brown color. I think I used a darker brown actually. And then for the outfit you do need VIP for more like the pearly stuff. The metallic, I don't know what it's called. Just grab this first and color it this blue in matte 252431. In matte for both, and then for the chains I'm gonna just do like a darker gray for that. Then we're just going to get these wings and we're going to color it that same color. Grab this in just the chains. Actually, dude, I think I did default on it in matte, and then I also just colored the chains this and then the gem that. You can't even see it anyways, but that is pretty much it. You can add more stuff, but I don't really want to like layer a lot of stuff on it. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.